In this quick guide, you'll learn how to pay your Citibank credit card bill online. Paying your credit card bill online is a convenient and efficient way to manage your finances, and with Citibank's mobile app, it's easier than ever. Let's dive into the process. To get started, open the Citibank mobile app on your phone. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for a smooth experience. Once the app is open, sign in to your account using your credentials. If you haven't set up your online banking yet, you'll need to do that first, but assuming you're already registered, let's proceed. After logging in, navigate to the menu. Here, you'll find various options related to your Citibank account. Look for the credit card section and tap on it. This will display all the credit cards linked to your account. If you have multiple cards, simply choose the one you want to pay by tapping on it. Now, you should see the option to make a payment. Go ahead and tap on it. This will bring up a screen where you can select the amount you wish to pay. You have a few choices here. You can pay the current balance, the minimum due, or enter a custom amount if you prefer to pay a specific sum. This flexibility allows you to manage your payments according to your financial situation. Once you've decided on the amount, the next step is to tap Review Payment. This is an important step as it gives you a chance to double-check all the details before finalizing the transaction. Make sure the payment amount is correct and that you're paying the right credit card. If everything looks good, the final step is to confirm the payment by tapping Pay, and just like that, your credit card bill is paid. You should receive a confirmation notification indicating that the transaction was successful. It's always a good idea to save or screenshot this confirmation for your records. And that's it. That's how to pay your Citibank credit card bill online. With these simple steps, you can ensure your bills are paid on time, avoiding late fees, and keeping your credit in good standing. Thanks for watching, and happy banking.